Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. It's good, isn't it? Hello team, how you doing? Gavin here from Growing Younger, and if you don't know who I am, I co-own New Zealand's only fitness studio for people over 40, which is pretty cool. And today's video is about my world famous in my kitchen, overnight oats recipe, okay? Really easy to do. It'll feed me for about 4 days, depending on this batch anyway. So I don't have to worry about making new breakfast every single day, and I've grown to really enjoy it. So what are the ingredients you need? 100 grams of frozen berries. You've got a protein powder. So I use My Pro Gold, and it's a blend of casein and whey protein because it cooks better generally. You've got Uncle Toby's oats and some chia seeds. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to use this pretty fancy mixer here, but any mixer will do the trick, all right? So the way we're going to do it, we're going to put the dry ingredients into the mixer. Okay, so I'm working on the serving sizes I need for the week. So it's 40 grams of oats times 4. What's that? 160?
160.
160 grams, okay? So it'll be 160 grams of oats is going to go into this thing in a second. Once it loads up. And then I'll give you the other numbers as well. So 0 that one. 160 oats. We're going to go 40 grams of chia seeds, okay, which is obviously 10 grams per serve. So I'll make it 200. Now, I did a video on chia seeds last week about the chia seeds to help you lose weight, and if you want to see that, there's a link up there somewhere to help you. And what's good about chia seeds is because they excrete this gooey sort of stuff once they get wet, and it helps really firm up these overnight oats, which makes it quite filling, alright? So I'm going to use 4 scoops of protein powder, which means there's like 1 scoop per serve, and each scoop has about 24 grams of protein, but each scoop is actually 30 grams itself. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool. Now, what I'm going to do now is I am literally going to blend up the dry ingredients, okay? So the oats will get chopped up a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to mix it all together. So that's about 300 grams of dry ingredients right now. So I'm going to blend it. That was 20 seconds, so come here, cameraman. Now what we're going to do, I just want to show you what it looks like inside, right? So when you look at it inside, okay, you can see all the dry ingredients are mixed together, okay? So now, what I'm going to do now, and I've actually played with this amount of water over the last couple of weeks. So the more water you put in, the more wet the oats will become, right? So what I found is 500 to 600 grams or mils of water makes a mint consistency, the one I like anyway, right? So all I'm going to do is just like roughly weigh it out. So that's 300 grams or 300 grams.
Almost.
Nearly, roughly. Doesn't have to be super accurate, but I'll do. There you go. So about 500. So I'm try that one. Now, my secret ingredient is peppermint essence. Now, it makes it taste like a vanilla mint chocolate chip kind of thing, which is pretty cool, right? So it needs a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. So a little dash. Ooh, that's enough, right? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend the whole lot together. And let's see what it looks like. So that's really the consistency. It's it'll become way more firmer than that once it sets overnight. And I think it tastes delicious. Do you want to try?
Sure. Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. It's good, isn't it? Alright, hold that for me. Alright, so we're going to come over here now. Oh jeez, I'm going to go into this. So I've got a big container. So I'm not one really for dividing it up into little bits. I just haven't got time for that. So I'm going to mix it all up with a bit of extra dry bits in there. So we're going to move it all together. And then we're going to pour it all in this way. And someone's just coming from shopping. Pour it. Alright, so that's what it looks like. You just, about that deep, and it's just all set. And then what I do then is when I want to use it, I just cut it up into 4 because I know my portion sizes is 4. So then I'm going to get my frozen berries, and I'm just going to chuck it on the top, I suppose. Alright, pass it back to the cameraman. Make it look a bit tidier. And I'll just move them around. You can put more than this in, of course. These berries are really massive. Usually they're a bit smaller, but that's fine. Anyway, get the idea. And when it's all set, I'll mix it all together and it'll be integrated anyway. So good, man. So really, that's it. I'll take it back off here. So that's my overnight oats. Really easy. It took me this video is 7 minutes long, and if I didn't have somebody cameraing me and just cracked on, it'd be 5 minutes. That's it. And I'll have my breakfast ready for 4 days on the trot now, which is easy. You can put in any essence you want or any flavor protein you want. You can put cocoa powder in if you wanted to. But really, that's as good as it gets. And I'll put the calories up on the board. I think it's at about 350 calories a serve or something, which is pretty good. Yeah, give it a try. Let me know, and I'll see you on the next video.